everybody, if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Anna and welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new here, and hi if you're here from Haz's channel. Welcome to my channel. I do a range of different videos here. I do vlogs, I do the occasional Primark haul, I mean occasional. I do fashion videos, I do plus size fashion videos, I do makeup tutorials, I do the whole shebang really. And today I thought I would do a room tour because a lot of new people here and a lot of people keep asking me like where things are from in the background of my room, so I thought I would do a room tour video. And yeah, this is my setup, this is my room, and I do really love my room. It's got everything in it I need and I just love it really. I love how it's decorated, and yeah, I just thought I'd share with you everything that's in here, where everything's from, and I just thought it could be like a fun, chilled, nice video to do really. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm just going to prop you up here first without dropping you. This is really annoying me though now, because now you can see the reflection, which is really annoying. Well, we could put you like here though, that could be better. I need to get better with this camera. So this is, I should probably start over by the door though really, because then you can come in to the room. So let's do that. So I'm stood at my door right now. It's not the biggest room in the world, but I actually feel like it's like a good size. It fits everything in it. So this is like an overview. That's really annoying. I hate it when my bed is creased. Does anyone else get this? So this is my bedroom. This is like an overview, like here's the floor, here's me, and then here as you come in, here's my wardrobe, bed, and then like my beauty stuff. As you can see, over the past, like obviously before there was just the one desk, but the makeup has really, the beauty stuff has really, the makeup stuff has really taken over, which I don't really actually like, to be honest with you. I feel like there is a lot. Like I've got these which aren't too bad. I got them from IKEA and they do fit some of the stuff in really well, and I feel like they fit in really well, but these were more of like an overflow system because I have too much and I feel like I need to just cut down and get rid of it. So this has got all additional makeup. A lot of it's not used, a lot of it is not touched. I'm going to show you this, for example. These are all untouched Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks, which I haven't used or had a chance to touch yet. So yeah, I've got a lot of stuff for giveaways and I'm going to cut down, but for now let's just show you the room. So as you come in, we'll start with the wardrobe, we'll work around. So this is like a kid system from IKEA, and you can buy the drawers or you can get bigger ones to go with it. They're all palettes in the bottom one, and then all the top ones there's lipsticks and random like appliances, liquid lipsticks, Pixie, and then that is all lipsticks in there. I was going to try and organise that a better way, but honestly, that's the best way I found, just to literally, in that system, they're all overflowing ones I don't use or need to sort out, so I just put them all in there for now. This is from Aldi. I'm quite sure what I was going to do with it when I got it, but I saw this on Pinterest and I thought it was really nice. And then I've just got a pink peony candle, which Harriet got me in our box swap. This lamp, which is from Primark. This is from IKEA, and this is from Poundland. And then this, which I thought was really nice. I do keep some things in it, but I should probably keep more, but you know, is from Morrison's, and I got it for like £2 in the sale. And then next up, we've got the wardrobe. So next up, I'm not sure how well you can see me. So next up, as you can see behind me, I've got my wardrobe. I feel like this would have before, you would have thought would took up a large portion of my room. It now doesn't. I know I filmed room tours before, but I know they haven't made it to YouTube. So yeah, this is my wardrobe. I feel this is called the pack system. This is called the pack system. Obviously, this is the system that you can literally alternate to whatever you want. So you can have a larger one than this. You can have obviously big ones, and this is the smaller ones. You can have drawers. You can have shelves. You can have like wooden drawers with like glass fronts. You can literally have it however you like. This is how I chose to do mine. They were an absolute nightmare to put up, like literally the worst things ever. And obviously, as you can imagine, trying to put them up in this room as well with all the other furniture in here was a challenge, and it did take a very long time. I chose to go for one rail just because I don't have that many clothes. I don't need any more rails. You could have had two, but I don't have that many clothes. But I don't have like an excessive amount of clothes to hang up there, so I just went for one rail, and that actually fits me really well. I mean, it's not full, I mean, it's not full, so yeah, that's really good. And then at the bottom here, which you can't really see, there's some random stuff. I mean, I like to keep my shoes at the bottom. I mean, so yeah, I don't feel like having an excessive amount of clothes, so I don't feel like it's needed to have any more rails than I already do. I mean, I had one rail before and it fit everything in fine, so I didn't really need another one. Then at the bottom here, we just got trainers, shoes, and then my little... I like to keep my pens out because I use my pens to do bullet journaling a lot. And I just have some perfumes and some Vaseline. And this section here, before I did my room round, I had a bookshelf. It wasn't full of books because, let's be honest, I don't really read. It was a display purposes, one to like display my makeup on and stuff, and like pretty things, which I only have like this small shelf, which I'll get to in a minute. So I didn't have anywhere to display anything, so I really did want this, like you see on Pinterest, with nice things displayed. So that's what I went for on this side, with just a smaller one. So I didn't have a lot of clothes obviously stuck up here, so it was more a free-for-all to put on here, which I did what I wanted. So at the top I've got like my designer bags, I've got some Kate Spade ones up there, and then I've got all of my Huda Beauty things and stuff like that. Just special things which I don't want to get ruined up there. On this one here, it's more like display pieces, jewellery, pretty things. I've just got some pots with like my letters for my word board in here, some frames, a personalised Laura Geller PR package which I got sent with my name on because my name is Honor. My name is Honor, and if you knew anything about and if you've got like a tricky name like me, like an unusual name, you'll know I've never ever been the type of person to go in a shop and find anything with my name on when I was younger, now, or anything like that. So getting like personalised PR packages is actually really special, so I kept that, and it's got like some special important like jewellery and stuff in there. I've got this lantern, a candle, plants, more candle, and then just some jewellery of my old watch, and just some jewellery and things like that on. And then we've got like things like my bracelet and stuff. This is like special like jewellery I wore to like prom and stuff, and just special ones and things like that. I don't really wear them a lot. And then in this one I've just got a lot of camera equipment, microphones, etc. And then in this one I just have underwear and socks and bras and things like that. In here I have some trainers which I literally just washed because they were ruined, and then just jumpers folded up. And then at the bottom I have a quick storage which is too big to go anywhere else. That was the only place I could put it. I don't use it because it looks too bulky on my desk now, so it's just down there at the moment. It doesn't have anything in it, but it's just better to keep it outside. And at the top I have all of these boxes. If I'm completely honest with you, they did used to have all filled with makeup and just things that I needed to sort out, which I never got around to. I did my room last week though. They did all used to be filled with makeup and like junky things like pictures and things like that, which needed sorting out. But last week I sorted them all out, so the majority of them now are actually all empty, which does feel good to be organised. And then as you can see at the top, I just have my Pop Funko collection. I used to have more, but I actually sold some. I'm obsessed with Pop Funkos. I've got Fat Amy McLovin, Fat Amy obviously from Pitch Perfect, McLovin, which is from one of my favourite films, Superbad, and I've got Cinderella and Ariel. So I used to have more, but I had to cut down. This is one of my favourite parts of my room. This is my picture wall. So here's my bed. It's just a standard bed. It's a single. I don't have a double in here, and I don't have any need for a double. I only need a single, and it fits in here better. I'd rather the room. So yeah. This spread is from IKEA. It literally cost £4, and IKEA bedding is so good. The spotty pillow is from IKEA, and so is the pale pink ones. So this is one of my favourite parts of my room. This is my picture wall. I would as you can see, the big picture at the top is from IKEA. The picture in it, you can't actually buy it from the Taylor Swift Reputation tour, which obviously I was so lucky to go to last year. This is my favourite part of my room. It's just got all of my favourite things in it. It's like got one of my favourite films, White Chick. It's just got like one of my favourite films. I'm a huge film-aholic. I love films. My favourite thing in the world is just films, really, and it sounds really sad, but I just love films. I don't really feel like I'm good at a lot of things, but give me a film and I'll remember every single word from it. I just love films. I love films so much. Comment down below your favourite. Mine is Cinderella Story. So comment down below your favourite film if you got to this point of the video. Yeah, irrelevant. But yeah, I've got a little White Chicks little card there. Which I sort of bought just to display in here. It's actually a card, but I haven't obviously written in it. It's got a picture of me at my Too Faced event, which I'm so proud of. My flight ticket to Dubai, my note from Huda, a lot of overachiever Polaroids, as you can see here. I've got a Polaroid there and a Polaroid there of me. And it's just like all little proud moments. All of my brand notes I've ever been sent are actually in this frame. So they're actually all together, and it's actually a better way of organising, really. I've got these little pots from Poundland. These little papery things are from Tiger. The plant is from IKEA. All frames are from IKEA. These prints are Disenio. And then, yeah, that's that. And then I've actually got a new edition. I bought these last week. And this actually lights up now. I got it from Primark, if you just saw my haul. But yeah, I thought that was a little cool addition. And then over to here we have the makeup section. So we'll start here first. This set of drawers was from IKEA. It cost me £10. This doesn't usually go here, but I literally got this last week and I don't really know where to put it because I'm a little bit of a hoarder and I don't like to get rid of makeup, of packaging and stuff. So yeah, this needs to be sorted out. I filmed with majority of it. I've took all my pictures, so it's more or less a case now of deciding what I want to do with the box. So yeah, this I love hairbands and I just thought this was a pretty way of displaying them, and I feel like if they're displayed I'll wear them. So I've got some from Primark. Actually no, they're all from Primark. This I do usually do like photos, like yes, used to do photos for my blog and my Instagram and stuff, so I actually used that yesterday to the new Huda Beauty palettes, so that's why it says Nude Obsessions on there. This I love. I displayed it like a little shop. This is from Home Sense and I displayed all my Huda Beauty lashes in here. This whole drawer here is Estate, but it's all filled with lashes. So yeah, that was sorted until it's got an excessive amount here. If you want to know my favourite lashes, I love Huda ones, as you can tell, but I refrain from using them because I don't like to ruin them. These are my favourite ones. They're £2 from Primark and they are, look how fluffy them lashes are. So yeah, I love these. They were £2 and I bought about 15 packs last time I went. Stocked up because you can use them a lot of times over. In here I've got lipstick. In the bottom I've got skincare. I don't want to go too much into detail of what's in the drawers because I want to do a separate makeup collection. In all the drawers is all makeup except for the bottom one in the corner is like hair straighteners, curlers and things like that. This little corner here, this lamp is new. I actually got it from Sainsbury's and it literally cost me £11, which I feel like is a bargain. It was down from 36 to 11. I feel like it really looks like something you get from like Oliver Bonus. This beautiful pink flower pot is from Primark. I used to have all my brushes scattered out in different pots, but now I find it so much easier because I move my makeup about a lot. Like if I do it downstairs or something, I have it all in one pot. So I have them all in this large pot from IKEA. That pot is from B&M and that is from Primark, and this is a Huda Beauty PR package which I just like to display because I think it's nice. I have some Not Your Mama's pantyhose, Huda Beauty oil, like body shimmer things. Acrylic storage is from TK Maxx, and then it's from Wilkinson's, a great place. They used to do great acrylic storage. I'm not sure if they do it now, but that's where I got it from. I got it about 5 years ago, if not. Actually, I think it might have been longer. That new sign from, which Harriet got me, which I have put up Harriet, which I have actually put up Harriet, and I'm actually tracking my subscriber count on there, so yeah. I've got some Massive Metal shadows there. The mirror I get a lot of questions about is from B&M. The mirror, I wouldn't recommend this mirror at all. I wouldn't recommend the mirror at all, to be honest with you, because every time I bought it, the mirror was smashed. So in the end, my dad actually went to an actual shop and bought the mirror separately, like inside. So this is actually a proper mirror, and the outer edge is from B&M. So if I'm completely honest, I'd definitely just try and find somewhere else to buy it from. It was £30 as well, which is expensive, and yeah, it's just not very good. It does light up, it's battery operated, but the batteries just don't last very long and I don't actually light up. But anyway, this gold mirror is from Tiger. I got it in a mystery bag from there. You get like these little mystery bags, I've done videos on them before, but it actually matches my room perfectly. This mug is from Primark, which I showed in my haul last week. I just like to keep like my Anastasia, Ciate, Kylie things in here, as you can see. These acrylic storage is from the range. I, no word of a lie, it's one of their things, 6 years maybe. I got it from the range. I'm not sure if they sell it now, and if they did, I feel like I actually got it before all the acrylic storage hype came about. So it's definitely, I paid £3 for that. So as you know, now you can't get acrylic storage for £3. So it's probably not going to be that. So yeah, you can have a look in there. Up the top, my very proud collection of MAC MAC lipsticks. These are all MAC ones, limited edition mainly, and special edition ones. I love to collect them. If you've got any limited edition ones, let me know. They are my favourite things to collect. I just love collecting them. I use some of them. If I usually know I like the colour, I'll usually buy 2 and save, and then use the other one. I just like to collect them for like, I feel like they're an investment if you collect them, so I love to collect them. That is my room. I really do love my room. I'm going to try and insert like some overlay clips so you can see it properly without me like babbling on and talking. But yeah, I really hope you like my room. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.